Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your house smell amazing naturally. So what I have in this bag is orange skins. So what I just do is just peel my oranges and then I put them in a bag and store them in the fridge. What I want you to do is take those skins and put them in a pot. Also, you can add cinnamon powder and you can add a cinnamon stick. Then boil some hot water in your kettle and pour that water on top of the skins. And your house already smells good. If you wanted it to continue emitting these natural, beautiful smells, now you can just take it to the kitchen and put it on top of your stove and let it simmer. So as long as you let it simmer, your home is going to continue smelling great. But you have to keep watching it and do not let it dry. And this is it. Thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.